power 10 into 3 power 9. Part by part we will do it. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. P1 power A into P2 power B. How many factors for n square are less than n? We have to find out the factors of n square. We have to find out the factors for n. And how many factors of n square are less than n we have to do. But do not divide n. First, step by step we will go. Factors for n. Factors for n will be 0 to a plus 1, 0 to b, b plus 1. Factors for n will be a plus 1 into b plus 1. Next one, square. It will be p1 power 2a into p2 power 2b. Factors for n square. Factors for n square. This will be 2a plus 1 and 2b plus 1. Are you all with me? Yesterday I discussed one important concept. See here, n square has got 7 factors. If there are 7 factors, that means it is a perfect square. One factor will be equivalent to n. 6 factors. There are 3 factors less than n. There are 3 factors greater than n. I hope you remember this logic. I hope you remember this logic. Factors of n square will be 2a plus 1 into 2b plus 1. Put a value a1, b1, 3 into 3, 9. In that 9, one case will be equivalent to n. 4 cases will be less than n. 4 cases will be greater than n. Are you all with me? So this will be factors of n square less than or equivalent to n. This will be 2a plus 1 plus 2b plus 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. See here. If it is 7, factors of n square less than or equivalent to n. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Are you all with me? 8 divided by 2, it is n. From this one, factors of n square less than n, I did it. But do not divide n. In that one, I do not want the factors of n. Factors of n square less than or equivalent to n. But do not divide n. But do not divide n. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the cases. Factors of n means these will divide this number. 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1, plus 1 by 2, minus of a plus 1, b plus 1. If you calculate it, answer is nothing but a into b. Answer is nothing but a into b. So answer for this question is just multiply the powers. What is 10 nines are? 90. What is 10 nines are? 90. Again see here, there is a number n. P1 power a, P2 power b. Factors of n are 0 to a plus 1. 0 to b, b plus 1. Factors of n square. N square, it is a perfect square. Perfect square will always have odd number of factors. Assume if it is 7. One case will be equivalent to n. 3 cases less than n. 3 cases greater than n. Am I right? 3 cases less than n. 3 cases greater than n. Similarly, factors of n square will be 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1. Think with a very low value. A value 1, b value 1. 3 into 3, 9. 9 means 3 cases less than n, 4 cases less than n, 4 cases greater than n. One case it will be equivalent to n. So 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1, plus 1 by 2. From that one, I require do not divide n. These are the numbers, factor will divide n. I have to subtract it. I have to subtract the cases. If I do this case, I will get the final answer a into b. I will get the final answer a into b. A into b. What are a and b? A and b are the powers. A and b are the powers. This is one way, mathematical way. Logically we will solve. See here, sir. N is 2 power 10 into 3 power 9. N square will become 2 power 20 into 3 power 18. Are you all with me? N square will become 2 power 20 into 3 power 18. How many factors are there for this number? 0 to 20, 21. 0 to 18, 19, which is 399. 399. Listen carefully. 399, it is an odd factor. One factor will be equivalent to n. 398. Half of them will be less than n, half of them will be greater than n. So half of them, 398 divided by 2, 194. 194 will be less than n and 194 will be greater than n. Are you all with me? 194 will be greater than n. So 194 minus 194 factors. How many are factors less than n? 2 power 10 into 3 power 9. How many factors are there? 11 tens are 110. How many will be less than? Less than. I hope it is clear, right? 194. Till here it is clear? Till here it is clear? N is 2 power 10 into 3 power 9. N square will become 2 power 20 into 3 power 18. How many factors of n square are there? 21 into 19, which is 399. One factor will be equivalent to n. Remaining 398. 398. Equally it is divided. 398 by 2 is 199. 199 left side, 199 right side. In that 199, 110 factors are there. 109 factors. 109 factors will be less than n. One factor will be equivalent to n. So 199 minus 109. Direct answer is 90. Logically you can solve it. Again I am repeating it. N is 2 power 10 into 3 power 9. N square will be 2 power 20 into 3 power 18. How many factors will be there for this number? 21 into 19 is 399. 399, it is a perfect square, odd number of factors. One factor will be equivalent to n. 399, one will be equivalent to n. Remaining how many are there? 398. 199 will be less than n. 199 will be greater than n. So it is 199. Less than n, but do not divide n. 2 power 10 into 3 power 9. How many factors are there for this number? 110. It is less than n. So if it is equivalent to n, I would have taken 110. So 199 minus 109. Answer is 90. Very, very easy question, sir. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is, again I am explaining, sir. N is 2 power 15 into 3 power 12. N square will become 2 power 30 into 3 power 24. N square factors will be, n square factors will be 31 into 25. 25 ones are 25. 775. 775. In that 775, one factor will be equivalent to n. One factor. Remaining 774. 774 less than n, greater than n. 38, 76, 387. 387 factors are less than n. Are you all with me? Less than n. 387 factors are greater than n. 387 factors are greater than n. How many factors of n square are less than n? Total 387 factors are there. But do not divide n. In that one, how many do not divide n? N is 2 power 15 into 3 power 12. Factors will be 16 into 13. 16, 13 6 are 78. 208. One number will be the given number. Minus 207. 207. Answer is 180. 180 is nothing but the product of two prime bases, A into B. I hope the idea it is clear. Just to multiply the power of the prime bases. factors of n square less than n, n square less than n, how many are there? 387. In that n, from 1 to n, how many factors are there for n? 16 into 13, less than n. One number itself we have to subtract. So answer is 387 minus 207. Answer is 180. Idea clear? Just by looking at a question itself, you will get this answer. N square, it is a perfect square. Perfect square has odd number of factors. 1 will be equivalent to n. Less than n, k factors, greater than n, k factors, greater than n, k factors, greater than n, k factors. Let us do it for a smaller number. 3 prime bases. N is 2 power 5 into 3 square into 5 cube. How many factors? How many factors for n square less than or equivalent to n, but do not divide n? You don't need to by heart any formula. Just logically if you solve, you will get the answer. How many factors for n square less than or equivalent to n, but do not divide n? So n is 2 power 5 into 3 square into 5 cube. N square will be 2 power 10 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 6. How many factors will be there? 11 into 5 into 7, which is 385. 385 factors are there. One factor equivalent to n. Remaining it will be 192. It is equivalent to n. 192 less than n. 192 greater than n. Are you all with me? In that 192, how many factors are just less than n? Totally, how many factors will be there for this number? 6 into 3 into 4. 18 fours are 72. Less than n, the number itself we have to omit. So it is 121. Very easy if you understand that one. Why we are doing 192 minus 71? We require the factors less than n. Totally from 1 to n it is the number of factors. Less than n we require. Less than n we require. Once you understand the concept, you can solve this problem very, very easily. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.